Hey there. So have you ever heard of mono reverb? Yes, mono reverb. Now there's difference between mono reverb and stereo reverb, and there's also a time and place to use either one. Okay. So if you want to use stereo reverb, which most times your mix is already set to stereo by default, you're going to have a wider reverb. Okay, it's going to sound wide, cover more of the stereo spectrum, right? That's the left and the right listening ear, right? But sometimes you don't want that, especially if the production is already sounding too full. You don't want your reverb spreading more in the mix, okay? You want your vocals to be more upfront while the reverb sounds more directional, okay? And that's when you want a mono reverb. And it's really easy to use. It's as simple as just coming right here. Depending on the software is with FL Studio, you can simply come to the bottom right here where it says merge and just turn this to mono right here. Because if I take it down here, it's going to make it wider, enhance the stereo separation. But if I take it here, just make it mono. So let's listen to the vocal in stereo.
No feeling where they made me feel one kind. And I want to tell you this, cause the way it blow my mind. Girl, you know you bad like bad. No feeling where they made me feel one kind. And I want to tell you this, cause the way it blow my mind. Girl, you know you bad like bad.
So if you found this helpful, follow me for more tips and tricks. Cheers.